Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will discuss the second part of our first topic, and the topic is family. And in this we had already studied what should be the introduction, the characteristics, features of the family, and then what are the types and the forms of the family. In this lecture we will discuss the function of the family, the dysfunctions of the family, and the contemporary issues related to family. So first of all we are going to study what are the functions of the family. फैमिली का काम क्या है एज अ सोसाइटी, द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ फैमिली इन द सोसाइटी, व्हाट शुड बी द फंक्शन ऑफ द फैमिली. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉर्ज मुरडॉक, according to George Murdoch, he gave 4 important functions of the family that is very important to write in the exam. The first is sexual, the second is reproductive, the third is socialization, George Murdoch, he gave 4 important functions of family. The first is sexual, reproductive, socialization, and the fourth is economic. So in this family, the function, the sexual gratification of a male or a female can be provided after marriage because society recognizes that. So one of the most important function of the family is sexual relation between men and women, and then the most important function is reproductive, means child bearing activities. मतलब आप शादी होगी तो ही आप बच्चे पैदा करके उससे आप डेवलप कर सकते हो. सो व्हाट शुड बी द थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द फैमिली, दैट इज सोशलाइजेशन, मींस एजुकेशन पर्पस, फॉर एजुकेशन पर्पस एंड ऑल. Socialization, the most important function of the family. What should be the fourth important function? That is the economic function. Family provide you the economic security. When you are in crisis, the family supports you. Your parent, especially your father, the earning member of the family, he supports you when you want to do something. Even in your education also he supports you. So these are the 4 important functions of the family, and this can be also categorized into different format like latent functions of the family and manifest functions of the family. Listen it. So that should be the function of the family according to George Murdoch. So we can also categorize into the concept like latent functions of the family and manifest functions of the family. Latent functions are social control. That family is controlling your behavior. Culture, in which culture you born, he also socialized you. In which culture you born, he gave you the feelings, the knowledge about your culture. And also socialization, means education and all the things. Now what should be the manifest function? These are latent function, these functions are hidden. What are the manifest function? Sex, security, and status. If you are born in a Brahman family, then your status is higher than a Dalit family. That is the status concept. Security means economic, social, political, or whatever. So that should be the security, and the sexual relation after marriages. So this is all about the functions of the family. Now in the second topic we will discuss the dysfunctions of the family, and UPSC will ask this topic sometime. Okay, what should be the dysfunctions of the family? So in this we will discuss the dysfunction, and in this dysfunction we will first discuss the Edmund Leach. Edmund Leach ने क्या बोला dysfunctions of the family में? He said that कि family is just like a overloaded circuit, electric circuit, in which parent fights, children become rebels. It is the source of all the discomfort in the social life as well as in the society. He said that कि children are becoming rebel and parents are fighting towards each other. So there is no concept, no functions of the family at all. Overloaded electric circuit concept. Edmund Leach. Now The second most important dysfunction, in this function we will discuss RD laying. What he said, what RD laying is saying, that family is just like a nexus. Family is just like a nexus in which all the members are thinking about the other members, that what they think, what they do, what they feel. They are just in the tension that what others are doing. And the family is the source which is the major source of discomfort in the society. It restricts the development of self. Said for example, if you are from an orthodox family, Hindu family, then if you want to have love marriage, that is not recognized by the society and your father become rebel. That arranged marriage is allowed, not love marriage. So this is all about what? Dysfunctions of the family. The third most important dysfunctions of the family which we will discuss here is the most important concept, that is the feminist. What they said, Ben Stone, feminist scholar, he said that family, he just questioned the structure of family. She said that the family is patriarchal in nature, in which men has a larger benefit, and this is true also. In patriarchal society, men has a larger benefit than women. So family is just like a patriarchal structure. And second thing, women are just unpaid labor workers. Women are unpaid labor workers, means they are doing the household works and they are not giving their proper wages also. So this is all about feminist Ben Stone. Patriarchal structure of family. So this is all about Edmund Leach, RD laying and feminist scholar. Three scholar we will discuss in dysfunction. Your function is over, dysfunction is over. Now the contemporary issue, the most important topic, and UPSC will ask this topic each and every year in different formats, like what are the effects of globalization on the institution of family, what are the changes of changing in the structure of family in the present time, what are the crises in the family in the contemporary society. All these things will deal here. So contemporary issue, in this we will discuss what are the changes that are taking place in contemporary issue in family as an institution. So in this we will discuss first Robert. What he say? He say in the present time single parenthood is growing. Single parenthood concept is growing. Single parenthood. Why? Because of the death of the husband or death of the wife. Single parenthood is growing, the culture of single parenthood, because of death of husband or death of wife or because of divorce. Second is, what he is saying, Robert, the second concept, reconstituted family. इसको स्टेप फैमिलीज भी बोलते हैं. Why? Because in this family, one of the member has a children from their previous marriages. So this is also called reconstituted families. These type of families are growing in the contemporary times. Now what should be the third thing? What he said, living apart relationship. Two couples, they have a sexual relation between them, but they are not living in a particular place. They are living apart from each other, but have a sexual relation between them. That is called living apart relationship. So changing pattern, single parenthood, reconstituted families, also known as step families, and then living apart relationship. The second important, Rosnell. What he say about the changing patterns of the family in the present society? It's a very important topic. आप इनके नाम लिख के बताना, then you will get very good marks. He said that same-sex marriages are increasing day by day. Homosexuality को इंडिया में भी लीगलाइज कर दिया गया. तो same-sex marriages are growing, not only in India but in the entire world. Same-sex marriages are going. Second is cohabitation. Men and women, male and female, are living together, having sexual relationship without marriages. That is also known as living relationship. So these concepts are growing in urban area or in the contemporary times. Now the third important thing, which is very important, discuss here, increase in the concept of nuclear families. husband, wife, and their dependent children. Now, increasing divorce rate, increasing family violence, all the points you have to mention, increasing divorce rate, increasing and neglect of children. So this is all about Robert, this is all about Rosenell. Now third important thing, mention karna. If you mention this point now, you will get more than 3 marks extra than your competitor. This point is very important. Parkin. What he say in the contemporary issue in the era of globalization, working women are moving from their home place to the working areas, and they are leaving their children behind, they are leaving their children at their parent home. So that type of migration is leading to transnational families concept, transnational family, and that gave birth to transnational mothering. Means they are leaving their children in their parent home and they are doing their job outside their major city. So such type of concept giving a new dimensions of family, that is known as transnational family, and the concept is known as transnational mothering. So this is all about the contemporary changes in the family, that Robert ने क्या बोला, 3 concept, Rosenell ने क्या बोला, and Parkin ने क्या बोला. So these things are very simple in nature. How to maximize mark means you have to write George Murdoch. You don't have to write on your own way. You have to give a reference of a particular thinker. अब आपको function, dysfunction and contemporary challenges पता होगा. Go and take any test series of any institute as well as the previous year paper of UPSC and see the paper. You realize that after studying this concept, you are able to write a very good answer. So this is all about the today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss the concept of household, and then at last we will discuss the concept of marriage. So after that, we will discuss next very important topic of sociology. And after January, because mains will be over by 15th of Jan. So after that, we will discuss this year paper of sociology. All this year paper 1 and paper 2 of sociology, and by the after end of January, by 1st of Feb, we will start paper 2 also, and in paper 2 I will dictate you each and every topic, because paper 2 people are not taking seriously and institute are also not taking seriously, but I will dictate each and every topic of paper 2. That is important. Paper 2 is very important because you will score more in paper 2 than in paper 1. Because in paper 1, if you have a command over your unit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, there is no need to study at all. You will get more than 150 marks. So these are practical in nature. Apply it and just read this concept and go and take the previous year paper. You will see concept, functions of the family, dysfunctions of the family and contemporary changes. These are very important. These are looking like very similar point, smaller points, but when you write, it will take more than 300 words. Okay, this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you.